Break through bottlenecks, unlock lean manufacturing. Upgrade your production with the ideal entry-level automation solution, Songulaser automated sheet metal laser cutting solution with vertical material storage system and auto-loading and unloading. Newly upgraded, now officially launched. Empower clients to improve quality, reduce costs, boost efficiency, and raise profits. Accelerate your transition to a new era of digital, high-efficiency manufacturing. Fully automated, high-efficiency collaboration across the entire production process. Designed for multiple sheet sizes, diverse production requirements, and both high-volume and small-batch manufacturing. Modular design and a compact footprint maximize floor space utilization. Seamless integration with mass system minimizes idle time and improves operational efficiency. End-to-end automated control enables lights-out manufacturing for fully unattended production. Replace manual operations with intelligent automation to reduce human error and ensure consistently high product quality. Mach Series 5 laser cutting machine. Hydraulic automatic shuttle table enables fast material exchange and supports heavy load workpieces for maximum productivity. Humanoid intelligent monitoring system enhances operational safety through real-time inspection and intelligent protection. Up to 1.7G acceleration combined with advanced vibration suppression technology delivers exceptional cutting speed, superior quality, and higher throughput. Smart automation features include automatic edge detection, automatic pure slag removal, domed dust extraction, automatic nozzle changing, automatic calibration, and automatic nozzle cleaning. Minimizes manual intervention, reducing labor requirements while improving productivity, consistency, and operational efficiency. 24/7 continuous cutting for maximum productivity. Powered by the watch motion control system, enabling fully automated operation with no manual handling or continuous operator supervision. Fully automated loading, unloading, and material storage for seamless production. Chain-driven lifting system with floating positioning technology ensures faster, accurate, and reliable material transfer. Modular storage configuration with customizable layer quantities to suit individual production needs. Heavy-duty design with up to 3 tons of load capacity per storage layer. High-precision pneumatic feeding system for accurate single-sheet separation and handling across various sheet sizes. Intelligent fall detection and anti-drop protection enhance operational safety and system reliability. Gear tooth lifting mechanism automatically unloads finished sheets and scraps, improving material handling efficiency. The modular design provides flexible system integration and layout customization based on factory conditions and production requirements. Future-ready interfaces make it easy to integrate additional laser cutting machines as production demand grows. Built to handle high-value manufacturing applications across the automotive, shipbuilding, and new energy industries.